So this is what every afternoon looks like in South Florida in the summer. We live in a monsoon climate, so there you go. Yeah, it's coming down. This isn't even that hard. It came in so hard the other day that this entire floor had 2 inches of water in it. And it wasn't because the roof was leaking. I mean, a little bit of it was, but it was mostly coming in from here, like coming in sideways. And then we get some amazing lightning here. That's pretty impressive. Lightning used to scare me a lot. And now that I live in Florida, it's part of daily life. The size of this grasshopper. Only in Florida do we have grasshoppers that are like 5 inches long. The size of that thing. Decided to go ahead and upgrade my sun and rain cover for the boat. This is a 10 foot by 20 foot carport. Basically, it's the better one. It's got a little bit higher wind rating and whatnot. Powder coated metal poles and an awning that goes over the top. So I'm gonna build it today. It's kind of hot, but let's do this. Doesn't look too bad. Some of the readers or the reviews online say about 45 minutes. Doing it yourself, maybe an hour. So. Doesn't look too bad. I think we can do it. One challenge is getting it put up around the boat, because I can't really move the boat, so. I make it pretty simple. A, B, A, B. Labeled everything. So, ta-da, we got it going on. Got a nice, big rain fly over the Wolf now. We got it tied down in case any storms come through. We tied it right down to the boat. We can't really mount it to the concrete. I suppose I could, but it wouldn't make a whole lot of sense to drill into my concrete for that. But yeah, it was actually pretty easy to assemble. You know, I think overall I had about an hour invested into it, and my wife helped me put the rain fly on last night. And I didn't film that because it was dark, but I wanted to put it up so that I could start drying out the boat, and the sun and the breeze today will hopefully dry it out, and then we can continue. But as you can see, last night, after the rain, I emptied this 5-gallon bucket. And this is water coming from the front holds down in to this little container here. And then ultimately it drips right down into here. That's, what, 2 gallons of water dripping out of that boat? I'll dump it now. And we'll check it later today to see, like tonight, see how much water's in there, but you know, I'm guessing that there's water below this deck and the foam. It's probably waterlogged. And last night I found more ants crawling into this hole right here, and then I sprayed it with my bug spray. One of my other thoughts was to get some lights, maybe some Christmas lights or something, so that at night if I wanted to work I could illuminate the boat, and with this railing and stuff it would make it really easy. I bought this canvas from Amazon. It's 300 bucks for everything, shipped to my door. I got it in 2 days, FedEx. You know, like I said, if it was winter, it wouldn't be a big deal because it dries out here. But in this summertime, if you want to do anything at all, you got to get out from the rain. So, thanks for watching. Until next time.